Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to Doggett Ford North Houston. We're gonna give you a tour of our beautiful facility. Come on in. We got all the Ford lineup and we got also an extensive pre-owned inventory. And this is our service drive where we can take care of your oil changes and major repairs done by our Ford certified technicians. If you want to customize your vehicle, we offer everything from lifts, wheels, tires, and any type of accessories that you might need. Whether you're buying, selling, trading, or upgrading your Ford, Doggett Ford North Houston got you.